Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and gear.
Today, we're diving into something essential for every RV enthusiast out there: the SoftStartRV Soft Start for RV air conditioners. If you're tired of your RV's air conditioner causing power issues or disrupting your camping experience, this could be the solution you've been looking for. So, what exactly is the SoftStartRV?
It's essentially a game-changer for RV air conditioners. Instead of draining your generator or tripping breakers, the SoftStartRV kicks in with advanced soft starter technology. This reduces peak amp usage, allowing your AC to run smoothly even with a small generator or limited power supply. Let's break down what makes the SoftStartRV stand out from the competition. Firstly, it's incredibly compact, 40% smaller than other models, making it compatible with all low-profile rooftop RV AC units.
Installation?
Easy as pie, even if you're not a seasoned DIR. Plus, it's 100% waterproof, which means it can handle whatever Mother Nature throws at it during your adventures. And here's the best part: it doesn't just stop at your air conditioner.
The SoftStartRV can handle multiple appliances simultaneously, from your refrigerator to your microwave, all while keeping your power consumption in check. How does it stack up against other options in the market?
Well, the SoftStartRV supports starting 2 ACs on a 30-amp hookup, or even 1 AC on a 15-amp household circuit. Its versatility and reliability make it a must-have for any RV owner looking to upgrade their comfort levels without compromising on power efficiency. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best RV AC soft start kit out there, look no further than the SoftStartRV by Network RV. It's not just about convenience, it's about ensuring you have uninterrupted comfort during your travels. With a 3-year warranty and a 90-day money-back guarantee, you can rest assured that your investment is protected. That wraps up our review today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads.
Until next time, happy travels and happy camping.